Hello friend, in this video we will learn about map, distinct and collect from a stream API. Here I created the class map and collect example, and from the main method I added the employee object inside the list of employee, and now I'll perform the operation on this list employee list. I just want to get the name only from the employee list. Okay, so how can I do it? So I simply create one method, private static method. Return type will be the list of string, and name of the method get names, and parameter I'll pass the employee list inside that. And here I put list. So I created this method, and from this method I'll return the list of name only from the employee list. So how can do it? So in Java 8 I'll use the stream API. So I'll see you here. So I use the list and list dot stream, and on stream I will use the map, and map is the method of a functional interface and its name function. Okay, and here I'll pass the condition. So here I was like e and e dot get name. I want to get names. I want to print the name list, and here I'll use the collect method because the map itself return the stream, because this is the intermediate operation of a stream API. And here I will use the collect method, and I'll use the collector class. Okay, and collector class I can use here, and from the collectors I can use to list, as I want to return the list of names. If you want to use a to set, I think to set, if you want to return the set. So multiple methods are available, you can go and watch. Okay, so I just return it, then it will return the list of name. So I'll say here, now it's very pretty straightforward and readable code, but now I'll call this method. I'll use the system.out.println here. I'll call the get name method. Okay, and now I'll run this program. So here you can see I'll get the name of the list. Okay, but I want, like, what I want the without duplicate name. Okay, or maybe I'll create the new method to get the distinct salary of employee. Remove the not salary should not be the duplicate. So I'll copy and paste it and just change the name here, get salary. Okay, okay, and what I'll do here, uh, I just use same map, but here I'll change the salary. Okay, so I just remove it and rewrite again. So here I'll want to perform the operation on salary, so I will use the salary. So now what will happen, this will map will return the salary. Okay, salary name from the employee. Okay, and it will again return the stream itself, because it is the internal operation of a stream, intermediate we can say. And now I will perform again operation on map. What will be the operation? I just want to distinct. Okay, so I'll use the distinct method, and now I'll get the distinct, so it will remove the duplicate salary if it is in the employee list. And now I can collect the list, so I can use same like collect dot collectors dot to list, and I'll call this method. Okay, I copy it and paste. I paste it. I just change the name of method, get salary. Okay, fine. Then I'll run this program. Okay, proceed. Okay, what is the issue? Unresolved compilation problem. This is Okay, something wrong with the syntax. Of course, I forgot to add the semicolon here, and okay, still there is the error. Method return the list long, not as string. Yes, of course, because salary type is a return type. Salary is returned as a long, so I'll use here the long. Okay, that's perfectly fine. I'll run this program. So here you can see salary we will get, but I don't sure there is duplicate salary or not in our list. So I think this is not duplicate salary, so I'll make few field as a duplicate here. So I used one, I three. Sure, okay. Now I'll check it and I run it. So now you can see you get 1,000 only one time, not get the duplicate multiple time as like previous. So this is simple, distinct we can use. And so these are the operations come in the stream that is really I can say very nice and readable. And we are here like no need to write the multiple lines of code and all. Okay, so thank you for watching it.